Hold as many as 48 six-packs of 12-ounce beer cans with this glass door bar refrigerator from Arctic Air. Bottles and cans are stored on 4 adjustable shelves and illuminated by LED cabinet lights, making the unit perfect for customer-facing applications. The front-breathing design enables operators to install this unit directly beside existing equipment, shelves, and walls, while the durable stainless steel top provides a workspace for bartenders to craft drinks. Call or visit KaTom.com to add this Arctic Air bar refrigerator to your bar today.